Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Jeep Compass and I will show you which fuse to check in case your heated seats are not working. This video will apply to Jeep Compasses made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. Heated seats fuse will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is located right here. Now to remove this cover you will have two black tabs. You want to press them at the same time and then leave the cover up. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. Heated seats fuse is fuse number 30, which is a 20 amp fuse located right here. So in case this fuse is blown, just by replacing it, this should fix your problem. If this fuse proves to be good, then you will have to do a bit deeper diagnostics, but I would start from maybe looking into heated seats switch or the wiring issue. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.